Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, the immediate past governor of Delta State, to make a presentation of the Delta political leaders.
Your Excellency, our Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Your Excellency, the National Chairman of the APC, Your Excellencies, Governors of various states that are here present in great numbers, please do allow me stand on the already existing protocol. Today, obviously, is a great day for us in Delta State. When the news broke out on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, that we have decided to change our path, people wondered why. But one thing is very important. In the history of a people, there is always a time to change their path for the common good of the people. And whatever decision that we took was based on that common good and the need to change our path in the best interest of our state. As I did tell people that day, it was not about me, it was not about the governor, but the fact that there is the need for us to connect to Abuja. That goodwill that is in Abuja, that resource that is in Abuja, of which Delta State is a large contributor, there was a need to connect to it. I was governor for 8 years. I was in opposition. I did my best, but we lost a lot. And I did not believe that the governor needed to stay working very hard. And we know that we are very supportive of Governor Sheriff because he's doing a lot. But as the governor is doing a lot for us, he also needs to connect to the greater source of power and resource and goodwill in Abuja. And when we sat down after stakeholders meeting, we thought that it was necessary to make this move. This move is bold, it is patriotic, and it is well-intentioned. Carry go. And it is. It is in the best interest of our state. It is in the best interest of our people. You know me. I've been with you for so long. I would rather sacrifice everything that is in me for the best interest of Delta. And that decision that our governor took, that we needed to move after consultation with the leaders of the party, which was cascaded down to the local governments and the world, is the best interest for our state. We must defend our state. Our state stands far beyond us. And I believe that this decision is in the best interest of all. It is time for us to embrace each other, our brothers and sisters that were already in APC, and those of us that have come into the family. We need to embrace each other and work with oneness of heart. It is time for us to stand together in great support from Mr. President and Mr. Governor, because together we can truly dominate the politics in Delta State. For I believe there will be no other party with this move that we have made. And we are going to stretch out our hands across to our brothers, across all other states that we can reach. And I believe that a great result will come from it. Thank you, Mr. Governor, for blessing the trail. You have put us forth, and I believe that it's going to yield a lot of results. We trust you, we believe in you, and we believe in the decision that we have collectively taken. May God lead you and keep you very close to Mr. President. We will support you, we will support Mr. President, and God will truly bless us in Delta State because it is well with us. We are a great state and a great people. And now we have made the right decisions. a bold one, in the best interest of us all. Let us go back home and let the people know that we have taken this decision in their best interest. God bless you all. APC!